play that power forward position. Let's see how he does here. And let's see also how Jason Perkins will do coming off the bench. Last time,
Tira mo naman yung respeto para dito kay Bearfield. Si Johnson, yung pinatao sa kanya, Abu Tratter, maghahanap ng paraan para maka-atake. Strong move coming from Abu. Dean, your Dean's left.
ito naman ang Dean Stadium for Phoenix. Ako, ang bilis.
Ulitin natin mamaya. Ulitin natin
Ito,
mamaya. Ulitin natin mamaya.
ito. Inurog lang to the right side. Okay. It's important that they defend the interior. But sinasabi natin yan, Blackwater is number 3 in paint points. At saka si Perkins is 85.7% also from the stripe. Balanced offense ang kailangan nila. And for Phoenix, they've got 5 players who are averaging double-digit points.
Ito si Richie Rivero magmimintis nung kanyang pabandang tira on the break aatake. Itong Blackwater bossing, ang ganda ng Euro step at papasok yung one-hander mula kay Bearfield.
At the guard and 3 spot position. As far as Blackwater is concerned, that's an outside shot coming from BJ Johnson.
Mainit ang simula nitong si BJ Johnson. Dito sa larong ito, 8 puntos na yan, 2 3 at 1 2. Sa wakas, nakaputas na mula sa 3-point range si RK Ilagan. Barkley sends it forward. Yung bangga ay magre-resulta sa isang end one.
Binibilisan nila ang laro. You watch this move. The quick attack coming from CJ Austria. And they're doing a good job actually with that because they're number 2 in least turnovers at 12.8. But in that game against Phoenix last time out, they lost in the turnover points 18. He only had 10 points, 0 out of 7 from 3. Bearfield has to be more productive in this game.
Pero maganda yung agos ng puntusan dito sa pagsisimula ng ating laro. Charles Yu, the back tap, goes to the wrong man. Richie Rivero, open court. Richie, yung kontra-chempong atake, alam talaga kung paano iiwasan yung depensa ni Barkley. Mintis nga lang para dito kay BJ Johnson. Susubukan tumakbo nitong Blackwater bossing. Austria, Euro step, finish. Another fast break bucket for Blackwater courtesy of Austria. Pero hindi matutuloy. Kanila pa rin naman yung bola kaya pwedeng umatake itong si Bearfield. Binura yung depensa. Pull-up jumper is good for Bearfield.
Defended by CJ Austria.
Oh, hard show. Almost a trap. Ngayon, titira ng 4. Richie, pasok yan.
Ito yung tira ni Richie Rivero.
Di na nakarecover yung depensa nito si Kai Malungay. He tried to 3-4, he tried to front even. Naunahan dun sa ganda ng angulo ng pasa on the entry.
Barkley doing a good job on both ends of the floor. Ito yung tira galing sa labas.
Pero hindi uubra yan. Phoenix with another stop and now an opportunity to retake the lead. Another 4, this time from Johnson. It's good as well.
And if you're looking at the contrast in offensive styles, as you see Cedric Bearfield scoring from inside the shaded area.
Mula dito kay Perkins, a stop completed by that rebound from Barkley. Una, tatakbo, another set of fast break points for Blackwater.
And more inside points coming from the bossing. 2 4-point shots connected here by Phoenix. Offensive rebound by Perkins, that's what he's good at, but got blocked that time.
Masikip yung pasa mula kay Richie Rivero, that is stolen. Pero may counter steal. Oo, makukuha yan ni Mamuya. 3-on-1. Biglang binalik pa kay Mamu. Dinala pa sa kabila.
Making himself ready to get the second chance points.
Johnson, top of the key 3. Hindi pa rin talaga bumukonekta yung depensa sa kanya. Si Demusis, another offensive rebound for Una.
And he will miss.
Isa pang pagkakataon. Yan, yung dalawang yan. Yan talaga yung puhunan para dito sa Blackwater.
Ang kakatapat niya, Phoenix.
Justin Chua, mid-range jumper. Madali na yan for Justin who has mid-range game. Soft touch from the big man. Panopio umatake sa baseline. What a pass! Papunta kay Una.
James Una nakaka-6 points na.
Possible last shot para dito sa Blackwater bossing. Para tuldukan ang ating first quarter.
Import versus import. Aba, binigay niya kay Demusis and hindi pumasok si tira.
Naka-isang offensive rebound pa itong si Una bago magtapos ang ating unang 12 minuto ng aksyon.